You've been lied to about the moon. If you ask the average person how many times humans have landed there, they'll say, once. Neil Armstrong in 1969. But that is completely false. We didn't just land once. We landed 6 times.
What?
12 different astronauts walked on the lunar surface. They drove cars up there. They collected hundreds of pounds of rocks. We conquered another world. And then, in 1972, we just stopped. For 53 years, the moon sat empty, until right now. At this exact moment, 4 astronauts are flying toward the moon. But why now? Why did we wait half a century to go back? Because it was insanely expensive. In today's money, that is a staggering $257 billion. Going to space was seen as a waste of money when we had real problems on Earth. But here's what the critics didn't know. We are going back because the moon is a $1 trillion gas station. Scientists discovered that the moon's south pole is packed with ancient water ice. In space, water is everything. If you split it apart, you get hydrogen and oxygen, rocket fuel. Suddenly, the moon isn't a dead rock. It is the launching pad for the rest of the solar system. That brings us to April 1st, 2026. NASA launched the Artemis II mission. This is the ultimate dress rehearsal. They are flying the Orion spacecraft deeper into dark space than any human in history, testing the systems that will keep us alive. If this crew survives and the mission clears every checkpoint, the next crew doesn't orbit, they land. And history will be made again. But the moon is not the final destination. It is just the first step. We are using the moon as a brutal, unforgiving training ground. We need to learn how to build habitats, shield against deadly radiation, and live off the land. Because if we can survive on the moon, we can survive on Mars. We are not going back to plant a flag. We are going to stay. Subscribe to know more.